What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to this episode of MicroStudio. I wanted to do a quick video of the demonstration of your camera options that you get with your MicroStudio pre-assembled live streaming kits. If you're new here, my name is Garen Belaney. I'm your virtual trainer. I work with organizations and independent consultants to help leverage live streaming to establish credibility in their respective market, to start creating more content at a rapid rate, and then of course simplify content creation through live streaming. Very common question I get is, what do the images look like in each of the MicroStudio kits? So this demonstration is going to be talking to you about the 3 camera options that you see here today. That's going to give you a better visualization of how you're going to look when you invest in MicroStudio. I want everybody to understand, when you invest in MicroStudio, it's more than just a bag. It's a complete system. It's a complete network of support. And of course, you're going to have myself as your virtual trainer to help you get the most out of your newest investment. So today we have 2 combinations. We have the starter kit with MicroStudio, and then we have the content creator kit. I want to get your focus up on the camera at the very, very top. Right here, you are looking at the Elgato face cam. I love this web camera. This is what's coming in every single MicroStudio starter kit. It's going to give you that 1080p 60 frames per second that I'm consistently talking about to my clientele. So this is going to give you a generalization of the motion blur, the features, and everything of how you're going to look in each of these cameras. So the next thing is I want to do is get you to take a quick look at this camera here. This is in the bottom row. We're actually looking into the mirrorless camera sections that MicroStudio is delivering. So both of these images actually come in the content creator kit. This camera is actually the stock lens that comes with your MicroStudio camera. And then this camera you're looking right here is the aftermarket lens that I provide all of my clientele who invest in the MicroStudio content creator kit. The reasoning for that is because it brings out more color depth. It manages light significantly better. And I want everybody to understand that all 3 of these cameras are just plugged directly into a USB port. There's no color correction on it. There's no aftermarket effects to make the picture look more vivid as far as colors go. So you're just getting a very, very basic yet in-depth visual of how it's going to look when you just plug it in. Of course, when you get MicroStudio, you're getting more than just a plug-in service. I'm going to work with you one-on-one to help you create the best possible picture in your studio or the surroundings that you're typically conducting virtual meetings with. Again, I want to thank you so much for watching this demonstration. Up top here, this is the Elgato face cam, which comes in every single starter kit with MicroStudio. And then the bottom row that you're seeing right now comes in every single MicroStudio content creator kit. So you can significantly see the increase in visual representation. However, all 3 of these are certified with MicroStudio, and all 3 of these kits is going to help you become virtually professional. Thank you so much for watching this demonstration. I'm your instructor, Garen Belaney, and I look forward to helping you conquer your goals. Talk to you soon.